This video was digitized from a reel of silent 8mm film, and it's of the U.S. Army's 59th Transportation Company out of Wertheim, Germany in 1960, and some great footage of them flying their Sikorsky H-34 Choctaw Helicopters. And at the end, there's some footage of some barracks, and on the label of the film it said Penden Barracks. So that should be the barracks there in Wertheim. So enjoy. I hope you enjoyed this piece of history, and like and subscribe if you'd I'd like to see more military and patriotic videos, which I try to upload every other day on my site. And if you're interested in a good read, check out my books at www.edsemler.com.